As a research administrator, you may never work in all aspects of an award, but understanding the full life cycle helps you anticipate challenges, apply appropriate measures, and generally support the PI in achieving their research goals. The best way to explain the life cycle is to categorize it into phases. While a phase can be a specific function, a process, or even an office, many phases can overlap or sound similar. This course structures the phases with reference to specific offices and office functions. Many awards do not go through all the phases. For example, some research will not be commercialized, or most grants rarely require negotiating. But for simplicity, this video will cover all the potential phases an award might go through. This graphic will help you to visualize the phases in more detail and provide you a framework to understand all the functions of the award lifecycle. One by one, these phases all have a place in the life cycle. Professor Pegasus and his big idea kicks it all off. He will work with staff in research development to craft a strong proposal. Next, he will work with his unit research administrator and the central office to compile and route the necessary documents for approval by his department chair and associate dean of research in his college or other UCF leadership. Once submitted, the proposal is thoroughly reviewed, checked for compliance, and ultimately submitted. After some time, proposals typically can take months to be reviewed by a funder. UCF is provided an award. Most awards are easy to accept, but others may need to be negotiated to ensure we can agree on the terms and conditions. Other awards may require us to provide some of those funds to a subaward entity. Staff in contracts and subaward office handle the negotiations on behalf of the PI and UCF. They review the documents and ensure the flow-down organization will follow the same rules. Then we move to the post-award phases that include account setup, award management, accounting, and commercialization. Awards can go on for many years, so setting it up correctly ensures we can continue to receive funding and additional awards from the funding organization, as well as other funders. If we default on one award or do not follow the rules and regulations as required, it could have an impact on all UCF awards. Finally, if the results of the research can be turned into a new product or business, that phase would be commercialization. Underpinning all of these phases is an important requirement, a solid foundation of compliance and ethics. From human subjects to conflicts of interest, the scope of compliance is wide and complex and continues to evolve rapidly every year. The good news is that we have many talented and helpful staff to support the legal and ethical production of research. Now that you can see the life cycle, let's focus on each part.